automotive legend. Frozen in time for more than 2 decades, beneath a thick blanket of dust rested a 1971 Citroen DS21 Police, one of the most iconic French automobiles ever built. Since 2005, the car had not moved an inch. After its owner sadly passed away, the once proud machine was left behind, abandoned to silence and darkness, as if the world had completely forgotten it ever existed. Year after year, dust settled across its elegant curves. Time slowly etched its mark onto the bodywork, while the legendary Citroen patiently waited in the shadows. Then one day, everything changed. The renowned classic car restoration team at CKS Classics received a special assignment. Their mission was simple in theory, but extraordinary in reality. Bring this sleeping legend back into the light. As the warehouse doors creaked open, the light illuminated the dusty silhouette of the DS for the first time in years.